baking soda for heartburn and bug bites. Grandma's multi-purpose remedy. Did you know one of the most powerful natural remedies might already be in your kitchen cabinet? So, what is that mystery remedy? In the early 1900s, baking soda was a household staple, not just for baking, but for healing. It was a trusted remedy for both digestive issues and skin irritation. It's simple, safe, effective. First remedy, for heartburn. For heartburn, baking soda works as a natural antacid. Mix half a teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water. Sip slowly. Relief often comes in minutes. Second remedy, for bug bites. For bug bites or stings, baking soda reduces itching and swelling. Make a thick paste using baking soda and water. Apply it directly to the irritated skin. Let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing. Why it works. Baking soda is alkaline, so it neutralizes stomach acid and draws out toxins from the skin. That's why it works both inside and out. Baking soda, it's cheap, it's easy, and it's been helping people for over 100 years. Hit subscribe for more forgotten remedies that still work today.